Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning.
Introduce yourself in the language in which you are comfortable without revealing your name and identity.
My code is A61. I have done my graduation and post-graduation from Ahmedabad in business administration, and after that I have worked with Asian Paints Limited for about 1.5 years. And prior to that I started my business of exporting onion. And from 2016-17 I am preparing for civil services.
Okay. So what is your motivation for coming into service, your service preference, your interest, your hobbies? Let us know about that thing also.
Sir, basically, when I was doing the job in Asian Paints, it was a kind of a monotonous job. I was in sales. So from that, I was willing to work for something which is very diverse and which is challenging. So I researched a lot, and then I came to conclusion that civil services would provide me that thing. Apart from that, about my hobbies, sir, I like to play badminton. And
Service preference?
service preference first is Gujarat Administrative Services, then it is Gujarat Police Services, and Assistant Commissioner of State Tax. Third.
Okay.
Any other thing?
No, sir. As of now, means
Would
regarding
you like to express or would you like to tell
sir,
about you?
basically means
So that we can know you in a very better way.
okay. Sir,
आपने पीजी किस में किया है?
Master in Business Administration.
Specialty?
It was marketing. While I was doing my export business, I was also doing my agriculture. I was helping my brother and my father with agriculture. So that is my, I like that area also.
You exported which thing?
I was exporting onion.
Onion.
Yes, sir.
चलो onion से ही शुरू करते हैं. Which different type of onions Gujarat is producing?
Gujarat is producing mainly 3 type of onion. One is pink onion, which is produced mainly in Bhavnagar and surrounding area. Second is white onion, which is produced across Gujarat. And third is yellow skinned onion, which is produced mainly in northwestern Gujarat, and the hub for it is Upleta and Halwal area.
So why recently there was very low prices of these onions?
So main reason was that apart from demand and other side, the mass production was the main reason for low prices.
As such, you are dealing with this agriculture and both export of onion, and you are knowing all these things. So why these agriculturists are going for these things repeatedly when they are making the losses?
So basically the issue is that farm diversification is very low. The farmers which I met, and apart from my father and other surrounding farmers, I talked to them after I started preparing for civil services, though they were motivated to sow only 3 types of crop. Basically it was cotton, groundnut and onion. Why the reason is there? The reason behind it is that cotton and groundnut are having almost stable price, and it can recover the prices for their family expenses. Apart from that, sir, I think credit availability and insurance is a major issue why they are going for only these 3 products. Because if insurance is not provided to them, then the loss which they can recover will be minimum.
So you have done business administration, you have did MBA in marketing and then export business and these, and so why all of a sudden you transferred to this public administration?
Sir, as I said, that while I was working with Asian Paints, I wanted to join civil services because of its diversity and monotonous of my previous job. So what I did, that I thought of a business for my financial stability in which I would be able to spare some time for my studies. So I choose onion, which was a seasonal business. Basically the work of export was from November to April, but the situations arise such that
So being a marketing person, you can have some different thing to search out for export, except this onion. You can have some others, and you can get good money from this export business. This is one of the best business to export the things.
yes, sir,
Why civil service?
Yes, sir. I was doing very well in export also. During the 3 years of tenure, I exported around 13 to 16 containers. But what I realized after that my market stability was an issue, and secondly, finance means I was requiring huge amount of finance for marketing my business, which I was not having. So that was the main reason. Means
that you can get from the civil services.
no, sir. That is why I left that business. And as I said in
Okay, now tell me what are the difference? What is the difference between a deputy DDO and a deputy commissioner?
sir, I am not aware of that thing.
Okay, do you know deputy collector?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
So deputy collector is a post under Gujarat Administrative Services, and he is
And deputy DDO is not.
yes, sir. It is means
Deputy
both.
commissioner is not.
It is not like that. I'm
Okay.
sorry to say, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Actually, see, one is looking after revenue and law and order administration. That is collector
Collector.
and deputy collector. And DDO is a development administration of the district. Development administration, including industry or agriculture and everything. So that is the basic one. Both are the same. One senior IAS people will be the collector. And थोड़ा सा ऐसे कम 1-2 साल कम ये DDO बनता है जनरली. आज हम जानते हैं but not necessarily, but generally. And this is the difference between, and they are looking after development administration of the district.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
अच्छा, बराबर है?
Yes.
वो बता देते हैं सर उसके बाद में फिर. Then police services. If you are DSP, DSP maybe, and one accidental death is coming. You are going for the visitation and you are looking that it is not an accident. So what will you do?
Sir, first of all, what I will do is I will go with 2-3 people, and I will also contact the forensic department who can collect samples from that. And if it is not an accident, it can be either murder or it can be a natural death also. So forensic department would collect the samples from the surrounding area, and we can investigate into that. After that, first of all, I will take him to the hospital. And
What the first thing you will do?
so first thing, as I said, that I will inform the forensic department and tell them to collect the samples from that.
Okay. And if it is accident, then what you will do?
So then I will check the CCTV cameras of the surrounding area, and
It is accident.
yes, sir.
It
But
is proved that it is accident. Then what will you do? What you have to do rather?
yes, sir. Means from seeing the CCTV footages, I will be able to know.
In almost all cases of accident, what SDPO has to do?
Sir, first
See, there is a bill, you know, it is like a difference of a blade in a murder and an accident. So in that case, what SDPO or DYSP is doing?
Sir, I am not aware of the.
Okay, very good. What is SDM? Sub-divisional magistrate.
Sir, sub-divisional magistrate is a assistant collector is given the post of sub-divisional magistrate, and he is looking after the
Assistant collector or deputy collector?
sir, means actually the person who
Now
is
tell me what is the difference between assistant collector and deputy collector?
sir, deputy collector is selected from the state, while the IAS who is selected from the center is directly given the post of assistant collector.
So is there any difference between the job profile or work, or is it same?
Sir, actually during the probation time, the IAS is given assistant collector, while during the full-fledged job period, the deputy collector is allocated sub-divisional magistrate work.
So what is disaster management?
So the disaster management is means whenever any disaster happen or unforeseen circumstances occur, the whole management from evacuating public to giving them
What is executive magistrate? Do you have any idea about the provisions
provisions.
of executive magistrates?
Yes, sir. Executive magistrate in Gujarat, it is called as Mamlatdar, and he is dealing with.
Mamladar and executive are the same terms or they different?
Sir, I am not aware of the difference, but executive magistrate are term based.
Generally, Mamladars are the executive magistrates.
Yes.
Okay.
The works are they are.
The provision, legal provision, from where it comes?
Sir, that
No
I am
idea.
not aware.
Okay. So, if you are a SDM in one branch
Yes.
and a situation come that a violent mob is there and there is no alternative, but you have to give the orders of firing. What is the procedure? What will you do?
Sir, I don't know the procedure,
Okay.
but what I will do is I will first of all understand the situation. If it is required to fire, then only I will give.
No, I told that it is required. What should be the procedure of this firing?
Sir, I don't know the procedure, but
As such, you are coming for the interview of a deputy collector or SDPO, and you are most of the things you are not aware. Why so? Are you so casual?
no, sir. It is only that I have not read those things.
Why not read?
Sir, I have there is no reason for that as such.
Busy with India-Pakistan match yesterday.
No, sir.
Sir, please.
See, after graduation किस में किया?
BBA में किया है, sir. Bachelor in Business
BBA.
Administration.
And then you go for MBA,
Yes, sir.
and that to marketing.
Yes, sir.
Why not chosen for other subject? Is marketing. Marketing generally is a general trend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have not any challenging subject like finance or other.
Sir, basically I was interested in field job, and that is why I chose marketing, and it was a trend during my college days that the person who also did finance have to sell financial products. So I thought that why not to choose marketing rather than going for finance.
Just read Stephen Covey's 7 Principles of Successful People. Stephen Covey.
Okay.
He is a very good book on 7 Principles of Success. You just go through and then try to improve your approach and personality.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Only just you do something which is something. Government job is a deputy collector. Many people are going for just a power. Okay, that is for power. And let me tell you very frankly, many people are going for money also. तो चलो इसमें चलते हैं तो पैसा मिल जाएगा. But have you ever thought of development of nation and your contribution in that by putting yourself as a deputy collector?
What you will contribute if you are made a deputy collector or DOSP?
So first of all, in my area, I would like to improve in agricultural area, and along with that, I would like to improve the
The
healthcare.
deputy collector and DOSP, how they can give input in agriculture?
So deputy
How they
collector.
can improve agriculture system? It is not their job function, I think.
Sir,
See, everybody is doing this, for development of the district. What the new contribution which you will do? That is what sir is asking for.
what new development?
What new you will do?
New.
See, GPSC will select any XYZ or you.
Yes.
So why GPSC should prefer you?
Sir, I need
It's
some.
not comfortable now, bro.
No, please, you can take
Maybe we can go to some other thing. Okay. So Asian Paint was having a very good advertisement in past.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember any of?
There are many advertisements from that.
Which one is the good one?
It was related to me. The one tagline is there, "हर घर कुछ कहता है," in which the exterior paint is portrayed.
Okay. You are into this bureaucracy service because you don't like monotonous work, you want diversity. So this thing, diversity, was quoted by you 3 times in an interview.
Yes.
What type of diverse work profile you will find in police? क्या diversity है वहाँ पे पुलिस में?
Sir, in police service as such, there are basically what I can remember, there are three types of diversity. One is law and order, then secondly is security of the higher officials and means politicians, and third is DYSP related DYSP of SC and ST development.
So what is the diversity into it?
Sir,
Suppose you are-
you have to do policing.
Suppose that today you are in a security protocol of a prime minister. Tomorrow also you will do same thing. You will go and do one same thing repeatedly for 30 years. Where is diversity?
Where is diversity?
Sir, the situation which will arrive at every event will be different, because many a times it is the security of politicians, while in second instance it will be the security
But
of.
you are at the same position, na? You have to do the security.
Yes, sir, but
It is monotonous.
I don't think it is diverse. I don't think
It
it
is
is.
not.
Because there will be no input from yours. In maintaining law and order, whatever direction you are given, you have to work into that thing. In protocol, there will be SOP, who will escort prime minister, who will follow them. There will be different layer of security. You are not going to contribute anything.
Your dress is also monotonous.
This is also monotonous. You cannot go in colorful clothes. So I don't think it is something like diverse.
sir, as far as I know,
Okay.
what I am means what I have learned is that, see, you are telling about this security. I'm told means to escort a prime minister or so issue in that thing will be different, and issue in providing security to an event will be different, while security in providing providing a security for any fair or festival would be different. So I think that in job profile, in different situations the diversity would be there.
So same would be applicable for selling Asian Paint in Ahmedabad, selling in Mumbai, selling in Delhi. Different diversity.
Even there will be
No, sir,
the variety of customers.
Sir, basically means there is no variety of customers as such in Asian Paints, because I have worked with it, and
The same
only
distributors and
same distributors, same builders, and
Correct. Okay, fair enough. Tell me one thing. Suppose you have got a bucket of Asian Paint
yes,
and I am a customer.
Yes.
How you are going to sell it to me? Just concentrate on USP of your product.
yes, sir. Sir, Asian Paints first of all is a means I am assuming that it is an interior paint.
Yes, yes.
Asian Paints provide means there is a brand called Royal in Asian Paints. It will provide a very good coating for your this wall, and apart from that, it comes with a Teflon technology, which will be washable.
You are selling it to us. How you will sell it?
Sir,
Sell it as a salesman. You sell it to us. We are the customer. You are the seller.
yes, sir.
Please continue.
Yeah, it will provide a good shining for your wall. Apart from that, if you consider the cost part, then as such a bucket of Asian Paints would be costly. But if you consider the per square feet cost, then it will be economical for you.
But the same thing was promised by a Nerolac guy.
Berger also saying the same.
Yes, sir. What we can do is you can try and apply the sample of all the paints, and then you yourself can decide on it.
And if I am not satisfied, then will you come to remove all the paint?
Sorry, I will not do that. But
Okay, fair enough. Why badminton is not a popular sports in India?
Sir, basically there are many issues with badminton. First issue which I also face and many of the youth are facing, that infrastructure development of Asian Paint, means badminton, is do not have reached to the bottom. Means in villages or in town also the infrastructure is not available. Apart from that, sir, coaches, the level of means good coaches are also not available, and many of the youths are attracted towards cricket. So
Gopi Chand has started something.
means sir, I'm not aware, but he has started an academy, and that is I think 5 to
So
6
many
years.
coaches are available from Gopi Chand.
Okay, tell me one thing.
Yes.
What is the 4P of marketing?
So 4 P's of marketing are product, pricing, place, and sir, I'm not able to remember the fourth one.
You are good at marketing.
Yes, sir, but right now I'm not able to
Okay.
remember it.
In between onion was there, no?
What?
Onion was there in between after marketing.
Are you aware of agriculture export policy which was released by Government of India recently?
Yes, sir. Means
Export policy.
agricultural export policy. Yes, sir. The target of agricultural export policy is that right now the agriculture export is about $30 billion, while the government is targeting to double it to $60 billion in by 2022, and it will try to reach up to $100 billion by within few years.
Correct.
And the government will do it by investment in agricultural infrastructure, agricultural diversity, and food processing.
Okay. Why government has reduced minimum export price of onion recently?
Sir, the minimum export prices are generally reduced or increased to stabilize the local market prices. Reducing the minimum export prices would boost our export. And as we are aware that the prices of onion were very low in.
But it will be less remunerative to farmers.
Sir, it will not be less remunerative because as the supply is more, as the demand from the export will also increase. So that will be compensated.
Okay. So you are talking in the terms of volume.
Yes, sir. The volume and prices also.
Okay. Again, coming back to diversity.
Okay, sir.
Assistant Commissioner of State Tax.
Yes, sir.
What is the diversity involved in it? I'm still not convinced about the diversity part. In Deputy Collector, you will have some diversity that I agreed upon. But in Police and Assistant Commissioner of State Tax, I don't think there is any diversity involved.
Okay, sir. Means, sir, as such, means that is the reason I have put Gujarat Administrative Service as my first preference.
But this doesn't mean you will get.
Yes, sir. Apart from that, sir, in State Tax Office, means Assistant Commissioner of State Tax, the diversity is related to diverse field of businesses in which I will be involved. Means I will be involved in the sense in from tax matters. And apart from that, in government machinery also I will be involved with GST implementation, GST issuance and revocation, etc.
Okay. Right now, can you hear the sound? People are shouting outside.
Yes, sir.
Doctors are protesting outside.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you want to control them. You have to tell them, sir, please do this thing peacefully and go and resume your work. Lots of patients are suffering from this thing. How you will approach them?
So first of all, what I will do that rather than going to the masses, I will talk to their leaders,
Okay.
because the leaders are the people who can control or who can provoke them. That is why I talk to their leaders and I will tell them that see, the basic code of ethics which medicine is providing is to serve the country, in the form of medical treatments they are providing to the patients. So as we are knowing that many deaths are occurring due to this protest, and as doctors are not in their hospitals,
So one more thing I would like to ask about you. Earlier so many doctors were beaten, right from India to Bangla. Why this time it is this much?
Sir, I am not aware of the earlier times, but this time doctor was beaten due to death of
Relative.
It is happening in everywhere.
Yeah.
Happens every next day it is happening. There are thousands of cases where doctors were beaten. Why this doctor is taken as a special? Dr. Misra was there, Dr. Ahmed was there. Some recently that
VS Hospital.
VS hospital case. So many doctors were there. They were beaten. Even civil hospital earlier. Why this particular this Bengal person is a special doctor?
Sir,
So IMA come into the picture and all that.
Sir, I am not aware of the issue, but I know that this, as you said, that the Indian Medical Association has came to the picture and they have means.
Why earlier they did? Earlier they were not. Were they not doctors?
Sir, they were doctors, but in earlier issues, I am.
Do you find any political agenda in it?
Sir, actually, you know, in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee's government is there, and in center, as we know, that BJP government is there, so that can be a political issue. And as we have seen,
Why you are not clear about that?
sir, I'm not clear because I have not followed that news in such a depth.
It is a today issue. You are facing interview today, and you are as such. You must have read the article.
Sir, of today's newspaper I have read, and the Mamata Banerjee government.
What is the big issue other than this issue in today's newspaper?
In today's newspaper, what is the
What was the other big issue?
Sir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called a panel of all the major political parties and had a meeting with them on one nation, one election policy.
Other than that,
Sir, water crisis is was a major issue in between pages, and sir, in headlines this no match means India Australia.
forget cricket. Forget cricket. Cricket is not a big issue.
Yes, sir.
As such, you are coming to the public administration. Your eye must be on the events that are in the newspaper today. Okay, tell me what is the day today?
It is Monday.
No, what specific day is today?
Sorry,
What was yesterday?
it was a Father's Day.
Okay, I think it is sufficient. no?
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, thank you.
Just
and good
2
luck.
minutes, please go outside, then I give you feedback.
Okay, sir.
Please come. Ajit.
आपका जाना भी हमें देखना है.
Yes, sir.
Your exit is also to be viewed.
कैसा लगा आपको आपका इंटरव्यू?
सर अच्छा लगा.
1 से 10 में आप कहाँ रेट करेंगे अपने आप को?
Sir, in this particular interview, it will be about 3 to 4.
So what was the mistake? Where you have lost 6 marks?
Sir, basically in the diversity part, as you have said, means my answers were not convincing.
Correct.
Apart from that, sir, in the post-related information was not sufficient to convince the panel.
What else?
Other than that, sir, newspaper was an issue that I was not knowing other.
Correct. तो एक एक करके देखते हैं. देखो, positive part about your interview. So you have two very good positive part. Your communication skills are good. जो आपको आता है आप convey कर पाते हो, जो नहीं आता वो तो हम कहीं कर नहीं सकते. And there is a clarity of thought. आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होते हैं, जो आपको कहना है आप कह देते हैं, चाहे कोई कितना भी कंफ्यूज करे अब नहीं होता है.
You are very good to that onions.
आपका अच्छा.
It was very good. So your all
आपको-
answers should be like that.
हाँ, अब क्या है आपका जैसे इंट्रोडक्शन है, मुझे लगा कि एशियन पेंट को, एक्सपोर्टिंग ओनियन को, इसको डाइवर्सिटी को, इसको जानबूझ के आपने इंसर्ट किया है. क्योंकि देखो एशियन पेंट आप करोगे ना तो देन दे विल आस्क कि योर ब्रीफ प्रोफाइल कि आपने वहाँ पे क्या क्या किया, तो आपको वो पता होना चाहिए. और मार्केटिंग में आपने MBA किया है तो आपको निटी ग्रिटी पता होना चाहिए. तो एक तो ये हो गया. तो आपने प्रैक्टिस किया है तो आप रिकॉल करना कि वहाँ पे आप काम क्या करते थे, क्या क्या आपके सीनियर कलीग काम करते हैं, तो आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा. और उसमें से कोई भी इंस्टेंस आप एक्सप्लेन कर देना, जैसे ऐसा पूछ सकते हैं. फिर डाइवर्सिटी में आप जब एक बार समझ जाओगे कि GS काम क्या करता है, पुलिस क्या काम करता है, असिस्टेंट
वो issue छोड़ दो डाइवर्सिटी
हाँ।
में, अगर वो दूसरे बहुत भी रीजन है.
अगर आप समझ जाओगे तो आपको अपने आप पता चल जाएगा क्या है वो. जैसे पुलिस का काम देखिए, अब क्या है सिर्फ पुलिसिंग काम नहीं है, उसके दूसरे भी काम हैं. पुलिसिंग का सिटीजन के साथ इंटरेक्ट करना है, बच्चों को स्कूल छोड़ने जाना. जैसे कितनी जगह आप देखोगे पुलिसमैन गोदी में उठा के बच्चों को स्कूल में लेके जाते हैं. डेवलपमेंट फंक्शन को सुपरवाइज करना है. तो अब फंक्शन वाइड हो रहा है. टैक्सेशन का पर्पस क्या था, पहले सिर्फ कलेक्शन और डिपोजिशन था, अब ऑडिटिंग आ गया, विजिलेंस आ गया, इकोनॉमिक इंटेलिजेंस आ गया. तो आप एक बार फंक्शन को समझोगे आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा अपने आप क्या है. आपका जो आर्गुमेंट है वो वैलिड है, इट हैज सम डाइवर्सिटी बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्लेन.
कन्विंसिंग पावर नहीं है आपके
हाँ.
पास. वो
दूसरा-
नॉलेज नहीं है.
दूसरा, जैसे सपोज हम अभी A एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व हैं और B एक्टिविटी में जा रहे हैं, तो आपने ऐसा कहा कि एशियन पेंट मोनोटोनस है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग टू सिविल सर्विस. तो यू आर बिट क्रिटिसाइजिंग एंड डीमीनिंग दैट थिंग.
वो छोड़ दो.
There is no point of doing that thing. I was somehow not satisfied. That's why I moved to civil service because it has got a diverse things. You were not having money to expand your onion business. That's why you are here. तो वो आपका लिमिटेशन बता रहा है कि एक में आप फेल हो गए, इंटरेस्ट का तो पता नहीं, आप फेल हो गए इसलिए आप यहाँ पे आ गए. तो आप ये कहना कि that thing was seasonal और my brother and my father are taking good care of that thing. I was supporting them with the technical knowledge of marketing जो मेरे पास था, but I was not looking my future into it. मेरे को लगा कि I can do this thing in a better
बेटर
way.
कि आप ये बताओ
तो मैं इसमें आ गया.
कि I was supporting export business of my family with my knowledge and I was preparing for this.
हाँ.